Do you know that you can adjust the touchpad and cursor control inside the assistant menu on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let's try it out. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility, then tap Interaction and Dexterity. Tap Assistant menu. Scroll down the screen, then tap Touchpad and Cursor Control. Here you will see three options. Touchpad size to adjust how large the touchpad appears on your screen. Cursor size to make the pointer larger or smaller for visibility. And cursor speed to change how fast the pointer moves. Let's take touchpad size as an example. Change it from medium to large. Now tap Assistant menu icon, then choose Screen Control. You will see the touchpad on your screen has become bigger, making it easier to move the cursor. And that's it. You can also adjust cursor size or cursor speed the same way depending on your need. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.